sometimes some good music helps me get to the gym. Getting fit or getting healthy is a resolution that most people make for the new year, but it can be hard to actually stick with it. We all know that. We have Boudro from Xceleration Fitness and Kristin Batchick from Pure Barre here to help us. Please help us. It's so hard. It's so hard. So I know that you guys were talking, we were talking just before we came back here, and we're talking about motivation first. And I know that if I have a cool, playlist that gets me excited and amped up, what tips do you have, Kristin?
So that's the biggest thing, is to find something that really motivates you. So whether it's going to be through your trainers who you find there, the community of people, we're really big on community at Pure Barre. So when you come in, it's kind of outside world off. It's all about you. And I think that really helps people once they find something that they can latch onto and maybe do something different that they haven't done before.
Right, and you talk about community. Sometimes you need a friend to kick you in the butt when you don't feel like doing anything.
Exactly.
Say, hey, we're in this together.
Exactly. So it helps to find a bar buddy, is what we call them too at Pure Barre. Helps hold you accountable. And I think that's really big.
Definitely. And Ben, you're talking about motivation as well, but kind of in a similar but different way.
Yeah. So resolutions, you mentioned, like, give us help, right? Everyone looks at resolutions as they're going to fail, because 80% do fail by February.
80%?
80% fail by February.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. But
80%?
Yes.
That's like, oh, that's horrible.
That is why I brought my friends with me today, because you can do resolutions the right way if you set it up the right way. So for me, I always say, find something you love to do. Last year, I had a mom reach out to me, fed up with me. I mean, completely fed up. She's like, I'm done. And she did not hold anything back. She's like, I need something new. So we found something that she was good at, something she liked to do, and that was actually checking email. So every day she got an email from me, and it was something about her fitness, something about nutrition. She checked it 365 days a year.
You emailed her every day for a year?
Yes.
You're like, you're not quitting on me.
Well, at first she hated it. She's like, what am I even doing? This is not even working. But after like 6 months,
attitude.
She looked forward to it. It was something that refreshed her mind every single morning. She went to the point of going from quitting to actually signing up for a photo shoot. She's a mom of 2, works full time, and she's very somewhat introverted. She didn't want to do a photo shoot, but she signed up because she got in such good shape and she loved it so much. So what I say with resolutions is, if you find something you love, you'll continually do that.
If you love playing tennis,
yes.
if you love swimming, just stick to it. What is something that oh, this is her. Wow, she looks amazing.
Yes, yeah, that's a mom of 2. I mean,
congratulations. Congratulations to her. I know it's tough. It's so tough. It's tough to stick with anything, really. And you're talking about motivating yourself, and I mean, some people, when they have a trip planned, I don't know, is that a stupid way to motivate, or is it a good way to motivate?
It is, and I think for everybody it's different. So with a lot of people, it's hard to self-motivate. And really that's what we're here for. So you walk through our doors and let us do the rest. And I think that's what's really special about boutique fitness nowadays, is you're getting a one-on-one personal experience every time you walk in. So you don't have to walk in and decide what to do, what machine to use, or where to go.
You walk in there and you see those machines and you're intimidated. You're like, am I using this right? Am I going to injure myself? I mean, when you were speaking with some of your clients, I mean, what is something you tell them?
I always tell them, just like she said, self-motivation and discipline, it eventually wears off. So you make so much decisions in a day. So the last thing you want to do is get to your workout. What machine do I use? I got to make more decisions. Let somebody do that for you.
Let you guys do it?
Yes.
All right, our fitness is going to be in their hands. We're going to be fit all year instead of being that 80%. All right, congratulations again to that beautiful mother, and we'll be right back.